Hello, a warm welcome to all of you. Today, I will give some information regarding how to select a particular branch and why the Electronics and Communication Engineering branch is standing on the top. Myself, Dr. BTP Madhav, I am Professor and Associate in Research at KL University. So, Electronics and Communication Engineering is one of the best engineering branch. Related to this particular branch, what are the challenges and opportunities that the people who choose this particular branch? Those things I will discuss. Basically, Electronics and Communication Engineering is one of the core engineering branch where the design implementation of real engineering takes place with equipment and machinery for effective communication. What things you will learn and what things you will gain if you choose electronics and communication engineering. So you will get a knowledge regarding analog and digital electronics, all the components and their working conditions, and you will learn the analog and digital communication aspects and all the techniques and coding mechanism and various encoding and decoding techniques which will be used in the communication. Those things you will learn, and you will learn about the signal processing and its analysis, different signals and their behavior and their processing you will understand, and you will get a knowledge regarding problem solving and computer programming, engineering, graphics. All these things you are going to learn. Not only that, you will learn the computer organization, how the systems are working, what is the architecture, and how the computer networks are working. Every aspect related to that you can understand, and you can learn about data communications and standards and protocols with respect to the hardware designs also you can understand. You can learn the processors, controllers, embedded systems and their working conditions, and dedicated process, dedicated devices related working conditions. All those things you can learn. And you also learn the integrated circuits, MEMS devices, and advanced fabrication manufacturing methods you will understand. So, and you will gain the knowledge regarding computer designs, simulations, and you will be able to analyze the electronics and communication associated modules, and you can work in the telecommunications, wireless communications, satellite communications, optical communication, microwave communication, radar communication, industrial and vehicular communication related all these aspects. You will get some information regarding all these, and with respect to that you can take further advanced courses and you can gain the knowledge, and you will get the knowledge not only with respect to electronics and communication. You will get knowledge regarding machine learning techniques, artificial intelligence based processes, as well as deep learning mechanisms and data science related aspects and internet of things connected applications. In all the advanced communication system you can understand. You can get the knowledge regarding the wireless technologies, nanotechnologies, mobile computing, computer technology, cloud based computer technology, network security, so many things. So the technological areas, these engineers, once you are graduated with the BTech or BE in electronics and communication engineering, you can work with all these technologies. You will get knowledge regarding this based on the specializations that are available at the institute, as well as the training that you are getting in the advanced technologies. You can work with all these technologies. And if I compare, if I want to give the analysis with respect to core engineering, so the electronics and communication engineering will stands on the top, and the design, analysis, fabrication, testing, implementation people will know thoroughly because it is inbuilt in the syllabus. The flexibility in understanding the other emerging technologies to get connected will be very easy for the electronics and communication engineering. They have strong, they will get core knowledge and computer knowledge. With both of them, they can gain additional knowledge compared to other engineering branches. And compared to the knowledge on the industry with respect to electronics, computers, and mechanical devices, if you have good specialization, if you select a proper specialization with interdisciplinary and multidisciplinary related research related activities, you will get a lot of knowledge. And job related also, multiple opportunities can be molded to any sector. Opportunities will be more, and the person who completes his electronics and communication engineering, he has lot of openings in all government, private, industry sectors. So dependency on the others will be less for the electronics and communication engineers because they will get all round knowledge. And coming to the opportunities in the government and private industry, you can see so many industries, government industry, government organizations, they are recruiting students of BE and BTech electronics and communication engineers. And private sectors also, you can see so many industries are there, so many companies are there. So they will get a dual benefit, electronics and communication engineer. He can go to the software, he can go to the correlated jobs, he can go to the industry, top industry, he can go to the government sector, he can go to the defense laboratories. So many opportunities are there. So not only by taking electronics and communication engineering, you will get all the opportunities. Along with the electronics and communication engineering, one should have some knowledge on the mechanical devices and civil engineering related devices and biotechnology related and computer related things. Then only you will become a all-round engineer. So the world is for only the all-round engineers who can work with multi-disciplines. And coming to the electronics and communication engineering at KL deemed to be university, this is one of the best institute in the country. And coming to the Department of Electronics and Communications also, which is standing on the top, and both AP as well as in the Telangana. Not only in that, as per the ranks also, if you consider NIRF wise top 50, it is in top 50 universities. As well as coming to other NAC, our university is the NAC A++ university with grade 1 category. And why KLU for the ECE? You can see so many things are there. So 100% placements we are providing from last 15 to 16 years, 100%, and rich experienced faculty. Most of the faculty are doctorates. Almost 40% faculty in the department are doctorates. The teaching methodologies are entirely different from other institutes. Novel teaching methodologies as well as the advanced communication systems are available to deliver the things. And research centers, our department strength is R&D, and we have almost 14 to 15 crore sponsored research projects and n number of publications and so many research activities that are being conducted by the ECE department. And we are pioneers in the research in the electronics and communication engineering. And internships and practice school is supporting. So many people got the opportunity to work with industry while doing their graduation, and opportunities in core companies are more, and technology based learning is the main concentration here. And industry ready curriculum, every time we will make our curriculum industry ready. So practical oriented teaching methodologies will be there. So lab taken to class concepts as well as project based labs is our motto, and we mainly concentrate on teaching aspects in a practical way orientation. And fully equipped research centers are there. We have 8 research centers in the department of ECE, so which are fully equipped with advanced equipments as well as the expertise available with our department, making our department proud, as well as which is standing at the top. Coming to the placements, already I told we are getting 100% placement from last 16 years, and every year our students are getting placements in core as well as in the software companies. So we have different specializations in our department. We are offering IoT and smart cities one category, VLSI is another category, signal processing, robotics and automation, wireless communications, data networking, RF and microwave, biomedical instrumentation, data computing. So we fully concentrating on the outcome based education, and so many collaborations our university and our department is having. And our syllabus is flexible, choice based syllabus, as well as the credit system we have. And with so many industries we have the collaborations, and we are rich in the technical skills, and we have concepts. We are following concepts like flipped learning, deep learning, lab taken to class, online lectures, project based learning. So many things are there. Coming to the highlights of the department of ECE, 170 plus faculty members with 45% doctorates we have. Industry connected, well equipped 12 academic labs we have. 8 excellence world class research centers with government and industry projects. And we have sponsored projects worth around 15 crores, and research publications we have 2570 plus. And we have published up to now 24, and some of them are in pipeline, and received FIST grant twice from Government of India This time recently we received 1.5 crores, 1.05 crores, and 26 academic and research textbooks are published by our faculty, received several recognitions by the faculty from UGC, Young Scientist Awards, Early Career Research Award, Young Engineering Award, so many awards. And our professors are having very rich experience, and they are publishing papers in top-notch journals, and their research is at almost at the highest level when compared with any other institute. And they are the reviewers for so many high quality journals like IEEE, Springer, Elsewhere, Talon Francis, and almost all the faculty members are members in professional bodies like IEEE, IIT, IST, and some of them are senior members and fellows. So now choose the right path in the engineering wisely by choosing the KL University Electronics and Communication Engineering Department. Thank you.